All right, so basically we're gonna have to clean all this stuff out of the car.
Oh.
All right, so bring that big box.
No one will have to.
Yeah.
There'll be some dangerous stuff as well.
Yep.
Spiders. I mean spiders.
So let's see. You know, this is basically trash to us. So, actually, here. Take that big part out. Here, we'll put these in there because we can reuse those. Put that in there.
This is stuff we're going to use.
No, look, here's the old ignition lock. Put that in there.
I don't know what you're saying. I just don't know what you're.
What those? Ooh, look, I found some bad rust.
I know what you're saying, but I just don't know what
I know, buddy.
What's my hood? Okay, that's shiny.
That's the bumper. Watch out, so I can pull it out. Put that in there. These are the pieces we want to save. This won't fit, but we're going to save part of it. Watch out, because you're in the way. You gotta pull it. Gotta angle it. I will set this next to it, okay? So get that going on in there. You set those in there. Yep, those are the chrome trims. Put that in there. Yep. We're gonna have to replace that floor pan right there.
Broken.
Nah, baby, we can save this car. Put that piece in there.
Is this part the Pontiac road?
Huh? No. That part's too broken though.
Hey, is this the same thing right there?
Yep, that's the kind of car it is. It's a 442. Alright, now we gotta get that other side, but we can't get the door open, so now we gotta climb through.
Ooh, I'm small.
You wanna try it?
If I get bitten by a spider, I don't know whose fault it's gonna be.
What do you think? Save?
I don't know.
What do you think? I'm asking you what you think.
I think we should save it.
Alright, we'll save this one. What's that, trash?
More cardboard.
Yeah. Make sure you're careful and paying attention to see.
Yeah, I found some poles.
Yeah, we'll save that. We'll clean that off and see what we can do. Same thing. Save it, clean it off, see what we can do.
Yeah, this is why you never will fix a small car when you're an adult without kids.
It helps to have a little helper, right?
Yeah, and you have to have somebody to be able to.
Be careful. Yeah, just get that. That's trim. Definitely save that. Yep, saving that. Yep, going to.
Oh, this is glass stack.
Yeah, and it's really heavy.
Okay, here you go.
But we are gonna save it. That's the horn. We'll save that. The horn, we'll definitely save these. That's interior. We'll probably trash this. Yeah. Yep. You got it, buddy?
I feel like this one's heavier.
It might be. You did good though. All right, hey, just put that back in there. Can you drag the whole box? You have to. Oh look, pick that right there by your foot. You see the stuff on next to the box? Let me see that. That looks like a hinge. We'll keep that. Or
That's
the mirror. Yeah, here. We'll keep that for now. It looks kind of cruddy though, but that's why it's called a restoration. Go ahead, I got it from here, buddy. I got it. Those are the wheel caps. I'm sure they got some good in here. Yeah.
That's why
See, these would go over the wheels like that.
How do you know this stuff?
You just gotta learn sometimes.
Huh.
We can probably keep these.
Oh yeah, that's the seatbelt strap.
Yeah. I don't know if they're the front or the back, but we'll keep them. We'll see later. Here go the
Dad,
handles.
should I put this in the keep bin?
Yeah, go ahead and put it in the keep bin.
I'm just gonna keep asking you because I don't know what to keep and what to not keep.
You know what? This here. I'll tell you what, we'll just make this another keep bin, okay?
Okay.
I just want to see. You all right?
Yeah.
Got the windshield wiper.
I think we should save this one.
Think so?
Yeah.
It'd be nice to find the key in here.
It'd be nice to find some safety goggles in here, which I just found.
Yeah, that stuff's all just keep them for the mounts, maybe. But and it's cracked. Might be able to have it resurfaced. You got your scarf ready?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alrighty.
I don't do anything. Dad, do you think I should plug in the car in?
You just want to be in there, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start getting some of the trash out then.
Is Wolf crash?
Yeah, let me see it. We had issues with it breaking.
Dad.
See that?
Should we keep that or trash that?
I'm not even sure what this part is, so we're gonna hold on to it just in case. This will, that's gonna be trash. It's brittle. And it's already broken. Thank you. I think we'll have to sweep out the rest, get the leaves and stuff out.
Can I sweep it?
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Wait, I'm gonna go get the broom.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Hi, son. Let's see ya.
Dad, do you maybe need help for me pushing that?
Yeah, you can try pushing it, see if that helps.
No, you use the tool.
Buddy, I think it's locked and I don't have the key.
Ah! Who gets a... Dad, who makes the car without a key?
I'm sure the car had it.
Maybe it's still in here somewhere. We just can't find it.
Maybe.
Dad, I think we might have to give his car back and take our money back.
No. This isn't that big of an issue, buddy. We'll get past it.
Oh, okay. Dad, who had this?
Yep, that's gonna be an issue for another time. All right, so now that we got the inside of the car kind of cleaned up, or at least cleaned out, all the junk's kind of moved out. I shouldn't say junk. There's actually a lot of good parts that we can keep. Again, all the chrome trim is in there, seat belts, some other interior bits, but those are really just old and crusty, the interior parts. So we're probably just gonna go ahead and check them. Now, obviously, I expected to find some more hidden rust kind of hiding under all of the stuff that was in there. And I did. I definitely found some new rust. Floor pans aren't as solid as they initially looked, or the floor pans aren't as solid as I initially thought. Okay, so here are big spots for rust on the floor. Obviously down here, I've got pretty large hand, so that, and it spreads pinholes down in here. Like, yeah, see, that just breaks away. Put my whole finger through there. Same thing there. Just over here. Not as bad, but again, the surface area for the spread is pretty wide. So a little bit here, over in there. And then it gets really bad on this back tray. All through here, just kind of pushes off. Got a nice chunk one right there. And then all back through here. So this little rear shelf or whatever definitely has to go. But that being said, there's also a lot of good metal in here still. I think this is all just on the surface. That one's getting a little flimsy. Down through here. Hit that with some rust remover. So, doors are actually really good. I know you guys saw me struggling with the doors, trying to remove them or open the driver's side door, but that was actually due just to the lock itself and not the door. But I figured it out. The next really big thing for me is going to be how to remove this chunk, or this like dash frame or whatever. Because as you can see back there, lots of brown, lots and lots of brown. So, and this is also what connects to the that upper cowl area that had all that rust. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that out. I gotta figure out how to address these up here, that rust spot. All these little trim pieces can they can be removed, cleaned off. It's kind of bad right there. So I'm gonna get out of the car now. So I'm out of the car. Let's see if I can get you a better angle in the. Yeah. All that. But this is what's part of that whole frame down there. You see that's all gotta come out. It just right away. So that's it for today. I think the next time we're gonna start taking these body panels off, get the whole front end gone. We'll finally take that trunk off. Doors we'll probably leave on, just because you know they're in pretty good shape. We know what I need to do with them. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and leave those on. We're not going to start hacking into the body yet. We want to address the frame and the actual driveline components first. So, thanks for watching. Again, like always, please subscribe to the channel. Click the like button. Click the like button. Damn it, words are hard. So, as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the like button. All right, guys. I'll see you again.